Hi, Jasmin Dodson here with Dodson Legal Group. Today we're going to do a general overview of the probate process here in Texas. We're going to be talking about 6 steps that are required to happen in any probate process. For this particular probate that we're talking about, we are talking about a probate that happens when there is a valid will. So the first step is filing a will with the court. If a deceased person left a will, it's got to be filed with the probate court in the county where they resided. Now, if there's no will, then the state is considered to be intestate, and Texas law will govern the distribution of those assets. The second step is going to be notifying creditors and beneficiaries. The executor or the administrator has got to notify the creditors of the deceased person's death. Now, the creditors then have a certain period of time to file claims against the estate, and beneficiaries and their heirs are also required to be notified regarding the probate proceeding. The third step is preparing the inventory and appraisal. The executor or administrator has got to prepare an inventory of the deceased person's assets and have them appraised, and this inventory is then filed with the court. The inventory is also distributed to the beneficiaries so they know what's in the estate and what they're expected to receive. The fourth step is going to be payments of debts and taxes. The estate's debts, including funeral expenses, taxes, and outstanding bills, must be paid from the estate's assets. The fifth step, which is everyone's favorite step, is the distribution of assets. After the debts and expenses are settled, the remaining assets are then distributed to the beneficiaries according to the terms of the will. Step 6, which is also the last step, is the final accounting and closing the estate. The executor or the administrator needs to provide a final accounting of the estate's transactions to the court. Once the court approves the accounting and all matters are resolved, then the estate is closed and the probate process is complete. Once again, I'm Jasmin Dodson, and that's just a basic overview of the probate process when someone passes away in the state of Texas with a valid will.